talvel 3 kuud tagasi vist.
Siis kui ta sünnipäev oli vist? Jõulude ajal? Jah, jõulude ajal.
Mingi 2-3 nädalat tagasi.
See oli mingi 2 nädalat tagasi, aga ma praegu liigungi sinnapoole.
Ei tea, ma ei tea, päris mitu kuud tagasi vist.
Praeguse kella ajal ma arvan vaatab telekat.
Pikutab, loeb ajalehti, käib natuke jalutamas, siis vaatab telekat, kuulab Elmarit.
Ta istub voodis ja vaatab telekat.
Ma arvan ka sama.
Ma arvan, et ta kas koorib kartuleid või vaatab seepi.
Ta teeb põhimõtteliselt iga päev samat asja. Ma arvan, et ta koob.
It's like gold dust, to hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust, to hear me coming through your speakers. You see me blocking up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. There's no place to hurt, so stop the fight, I'm gonna get it. All this running from me, baby, you're gonna regret it. I can understand why you can't free yourself and let it go, 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 go. Got you in my palm, no listen good, you can't escape it. Bring up to my world and hold you, see if you can take it. Don't you be afraid, I know you're strong enough to make it. Go, go, go. It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. It's like gold dust, you hear me coming through your speakers. You see me blocking up your airways. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Everything your life's been searching for in this direction. Come a little closer, don't you feel the intersection? We gon' take you down and then we gonna keep you sweating. Go, 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 go. Take you to a realm you never known it's non-existent. You won't hear it coming no matter how hard you listen. Can't predict how everywhere we play our position. Go, go, go.
Hendrikene, tere! Tulid külla vanemale, jah? Kas sa süüa ka tahad või? No tule istu meie juures, minul on need sõbrannad siin külas ja tule istu ka meie juures.